Hi guys, I'm new to YouTube, so I'm gonna sing a gospel song called Love by Kirk Franklin. So I hope you like it. One, three. Love is a word that comes and goes. What do people really know? What it really means to love somebody. Oh, people may fade away. I'm so glad